Hi guys, this is Michelle here. I wanted to give you a little look at the booklets that came with the Viking 6000 series back in the late 60s, early 70s. So these are out of the machine for the model 6020 Husqvarna Viking that I got. So here we go. This is the booklet. I reckon the person who ran this shop hadn't quite got used to pounds and pence yet, because that's in, I don't know, what's 2656? I don't know, I'm from South Africa, so I don't understand English old money. And I was born in 62, so I've never used anything but new money. There is an idea of the things and the value. That one there's a twin needle, I think. Don't know what the others say. This is amazing. Viking 6000. Look at that. The cash price of this machine back in 1970 was £110 and 40p. Wow. Certainly wouldn't be that now. Gotta love the artwork. It's got a manual with it still. It's a bit tatty because the plastic, which is typical, has broken. So I need to either rebind that or put a new spine on it. But absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to leaf through it to give you an idea of the lovely illustrations and the photos, how to use it, how to thread it and everything. I'm going to take photos of this or create a PDF of it and load it up onto the internet, onto the website, in case anybody is missing their manual for the 6020 series. So there you go. That's part of that. Absolutely brilliant. So there you go. And then finally, I've never seen this with a machine before, but this came with it for fashion and fun. There you go. Practical advice on the use of the modern sewing machine. I mean, really? Look at these outfits. Inside, we have unused patterns. Aha! You do not get that with a new machine nowadays. And just a few of the pages inside this book. Let's just give you, it's a shame it got really badly damaged when it came to me. And, wahey. Gotta love that. Oh, stirrups on your leggings. Practical. That. Super late 60s, early 70s colouring. Greens, oranges. Ooh, check out that swimsuit, ladies. So it's got some wonderful things in here. And at the back, we also have some more patterns, which are just amazing. Never been used. And then I wanted to show you the inside of this brochure, because that beautiful brochure folds out. Jumpsuits are back. Look at that dress. Dungarees are back. Choose the Viking for you. So there's the different models you could get. In fact, this is exactly the one that I've got. That case is still in beautiful condition, and it has its two keys with it still. The only thing I'm really sad about is that this foot pedal is the original foot pedal, and the one I have is a newer replacement. It's round and that's really the only thing. But yes, beautiful. Just absolutely love it when I receive an old machine and it's still got all of its booklets with it. So yes, I will upload that, and anybody who needs it can download it for free. Have a fabulous day. Keep sewing.